Hi everybody, I'm BBQ Bob with the BBQ Guru, and I'm really excited today to introduce rib rings. It is a rib rack that we developed at BBQ Guru to hold ribs in a round cooker. And it holds up to 6 racks of ribs, or you can do 5 racks and a whole chicken in the center. You can fit 3 racks of ribs in the outside ring, 2 in the center, and then 1 in the middle. With your rib racks, you're gonna get the rack itself, you're gonna get the aluminum pan, the drip pan, and you're gonna get this stainless steel probe holder. Now, the way to install the probe holder is very simple. We're gonna insert the top notch in first, then you put a little bend in it, and then snap it into the bottom. It's that simple. So that holds your pit probe above the meat. What I like to do is cover the aluminum pan with aluminum foil, and it keeps your pan clean. Wrap it around the edges, and now you're ready to go. All right, so we're getting our last rack of ribs all seasoned up here, and now we're gonna set them in the rib racks. There's the side that you cut, that you trim off, and then there's the more natural side. I'm gonna put that side up because that's where the meat is gonna recede off the bone. I'm gonna let these ribs cook for a few hours, and then I'm gonna put a whole chicken right in the center. We can clip the probe right to the little designated probe holder right there. So now we have our cooker set to 275, and these ribs will cook for approximately 4.5 to 5 hours. Okay, check this out. The ribs have been smoking for about 4.5 to 5 hours. About 3 hours into that cook, I put a chicken in the center. Oh yeah. So see how those ribs are cooking perfectly in that rack? All your juices are caught in the pan. Man, that's nice. Just an easy way to cook ribs for a lot of people. Round rack, round cooker, it makes a lot of sense. Look how nice these are. We're gonna slice them up and give them a try. So we got perfectly cooked ribs. You can use the rib racks on any round cooker, kettles, Smoky Mountains, any ceramic cooker, any cooker 18 inches in diameter or bigger. You can get your rib racks at bbqguru.com. These are tasty.